Hey guys, welcome to question FM072 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. Now, this question is a bit more of a thinker. It says the table below shows the percentage of students in two age groups, 12 to 15 years and 16 to 19 years, who regularly communicate with their friends using one or more of three platforms. So that would be text message, Facebook Messenger, and Snapchat. So we've got a bit of a breakdown here of how that's all working. But this question says, of the students surveyed, which one of the following statements by itself supports the contention that the platform used for communication is associated with the age group? So option A, I'm just going to quickly write these up. A, B, C, D, E. So option A says 45% of students aged 16 to 19 use Snapchat to communicate with their friends. Now that, of course, there's no comparison being drawn there, which means that we can't really make any real association, and particularly we're not supporting the contention that the platform used for communication is associated with age group. So we're going to, A is definitely not our answer. Part B, a little bit closer, says 32% of students aged 12 to 15 use text message to communicate with their friends, while 93% of the 12 to 15-year-old students use Snapchat. Now, this is a bit closer because obviously now we're drawing a comparison. However, in both of these statements are comparing 12 to 15-year-old students to 12 to 15-year-old students. So we're not really showing that the platform used for communication is associated with the age group because we've just looked at the same age group twice. B is also not our answer. Question C says 91% of students aged 12 to 15 use Facebook Messenger to communicate with their friends, and 88% of 16 to 19-year-old students use text message to communicate with their friends. Now, this is once again a bit closer because now we're looking at the two different age groups. However, we've just compared two different platforms. We've compared the Facebook Messenger for 12 to 15-year-olds against the text message of 16 to 19-year-old students, which means that, once again, C is not our answer because we are looking for the two different age groups being compared across the same platform. So D, the percentage of students who use text message to communicate with their friends increased from 32% from those aged 12 to 15 to 88% for those aged 16 to 19. Guys, that's exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for a statement that looks at both of the age groups, but using the same platform to draw that comparison and show that the platform used for communication is associated with the age group. So D is definitely looking at our answer, but we'll have a quick look at E, just to be doubly sure. The percentage of students who used Facebook Messenger to communicate with their friends was 91% for those aged 12 to 15, and 91% for those aged 16 to 19. So that statement there also does exactly what we were looking at before, where we're looking at two different age groups, but it doesn't actually show any difference because those percentages are the same. That statement on its own doesn't actually support the contention that the platform used for communication is associated with the age group because there's no difference between those two percentages. So guys, that leaves D as our final answer. If you have any questions, please drop them in our comment section below or shoot a message to our Facebook page, Triumph Tutoring, and someone will be sure to help you out.